Hello, and welcome to Verifone's webinar on the release of Commander software version 55.02. We're thrilled to announce exciting updates to 55.02, Verifone Commander software that enhances convenience, streamlines operations, and like never before, empowers your business. Let's dive right in and get started. Today's topics will include self-checkout enhancements, TrueAge QR code updates, payments and compliance updates, new features in C-Site management, loyalty enhancements, along with some other enhancements, and we'll wrap up with a Q&A. There are several menu enhancements. A single PLU menu selection that is in a menu will automatically be added to the cart. Also, limits can be configured on multi-select menus, which restricts the number of items that a customer can select on a single screen. These changes apply to the self-checkout and the point of sale. Portrait orientation is now available on the C18 self-checkout mode, allowing you to save valuable counter space. Customer feedback found it looks more like a traditional self-checkout in this orientation. The self-checkout welcome screen now supports full-screen images in landscape and portrait mode. These images can be static JPEG, PNG files, as well as moving GIFs. An optional banner can be added to landscape and portrait self-checkout modes, which will appear on the home screen. Caloric values are now available to display by PLU number in Configuration Client under Store Operations, then self-checkout, then global configuration. Check the box for display caloric values to enable the caloric value to show on the item, as you see here. 55.02 now includes detail view monitoring function for the self-checkout. This allows the cashier to monitor the self-checkout and can act as a theft deterrent. However, it currently does not allow intervention. The self-checkout user reference PDF can be found at verifone.cloud by clicking on Petroleum, then Feature References, then scroll down to select Self-Checkout, and click the link in the middle of the page. We added compatibility with industry-leading Zebra USB scanners while maintaining support for serial scanners. We see here the Havas self-checkout enclosure kit, which has the USB scanner mounted in it. Scanner configuration has moved to Configuration Client, Tools, Managed Modules. Under the POS pull-down, select Scanner. The scanner can be configured as a serial or USB scanner. The option to select Ruby Ready 1D or 2D scanners has been removed from the point of sale under CRS Functions, Maintenance, Device Configuration. Support for an optional Tower Light kit has been added to enhance the self-checkout customer experience. Self-checkout customers can now receive faster assistance from cashiers for help and age verification when needed. The light changes colors to indicate the different states. For example, the light flashes red when the customer requires assistance or age verification, and flashes yellow when a transaction is suspended. The complete list of colors and their meaning can be found in the 55.02 release notes. Age verification for age-restricted items is now as easy as scanning a TrueAge mobile QR code as an alternative to a physical ID. This provides enhanced customer privacy as only the customer's picture and a one-time use QR code is displayed for the cashier to scan. In California, it now supports the Mobile Driver's License or MDL wallet. Card support has been added for the bypass distribution EMV WEX, Fuelman, and Visa Fleet 2.0 to name a few. Also, support for the Heartland distribution for EMV WEX Visa Fleet 2.0, and Voyager. Check the release notes located on verifone.cloud for 5502 full support. You can now enable faster checkout with a single method of payment button on your point of sale. No more separate buttons for credit, debit, or mobile payments. Everything is now handled with one simple button. This allows for freeing up other buttons to be used for different functions. We have now added fallback processing capability to process EMV EBT cards for Fiserv and Chase distributions. Also, we have added compatibility to process EBT EMV cards as magstripe until our table partners, Heartland, NBS, WorldPay, and BP, have fallback support. This will provide for a seamless customer experience for EBT cardholders during MSR to EMV transition. C-Site management support has evolved since the Commander release in 5335 to now include some site configuration details that are now stored centrally, such as DCR configuration and primary payment configuration, thus eliminating the need to re-enter the information when the Verifone Commander is reinstalled or upgraded, transitioning configuration client to the cloud. Release 5502 now supports multiple loyalty programs processed through a single host, both inside and outside transactions, simplifying the payment flow. Additionally, the Connexus 1.3 standard is now supported in this release. We now have enhanced Commander system performance by optimizing resource allocation and simplified startup procedures. This now provides several benefits by reducing memory consumption and streamlining the startup process. This will result in much faster boot times. Unnecessary steps have been removed from the auto upgrade process, which results in a 75% faster completion of the upgrade. The system can now be used for sales while the process completes the final phase. Estimates provided for the auto upgrade show approximately 30 minutes before the system is available for use by the cashier, following the on-screen system prompts to return to the sales function. This streamlined process is most noticed in the same base release, for instance, 5501 to 5502. Backup and restore is one of the most popular features from Release 5502. When upgrading to anything equal to or higher than 5502, the backup and restore will back up and restore all configuration data. This new feature allows for getting the store backup and operational faster by reducing configuration time. There is also a PSI backup and restore guide located on Premier under Manage, Petro Downloads, Commander and Ruby CI, and then Commander Tools, User References, and Other Documentation in the training section.
Thank you for watching.